Combinations. They sound like a mix of pretzels and peanut butter, or something you do if you're playing a fighting game. I don't know, dudes. I got nothing. Okay, here's what combinations means in math land. Permutations are where you've got a group of things or people or whatever, and you're going to pick some of them to fill special positions. Dinos running a race, or people running for office, or whatever. Combinations are where you've still got a group of things and you're still going to pick a bunch of them, but the positions that you're going to pick them for are not special. They're all going to be equal. So for example, let's say you've got a group of 7 people and you want to pick 3 of those people to accompany you out to a movie. The spots of accompanying you out to a movie are not special. You're not going to have your first place movie person and your second place movie person, and you're not going to have your gold star movie person and your silver star movie person. They're just all equal. And because of that, the formula that you're going to have and the way that you're going to count these combinations is going to be a little bit different. Here's the formula we're going to use. It looks a little bit like the guy from Permutations, but has this extra piece on bottom. Now let's go ahead and use it to answer the question. We've got 7 people available for going out to a movie. We're only going to pick 3. So if we're going to write that as a combination, it's going to be C of 7, 3. The exact same way we would write it if it were a permutation. We're just using the letter C instead. And if we're going to plug that into our formula, then on top we have 7 factorial, and on bottom we have 3 factorial times 4 factorial. Let's go ahead and write these guys out kind of carefully, and once you do, you can start canceling out all the things that you can. Go ahead and do this final simplification, and you find that there are 35 different ways that you can select a group of 3 friends out of your 7 available friends to go watch a movie. Now guys, last but not least, even though this formula is not so bad, when you see a problem, a big factor is going to be deciding if it's a permutation problem or a combination problem. So it bears repeating, the big difference is this. Permutation problems have you picking people or objects for special positions, but combination problems are where the positions are not special. All the positions are going to be equal. So if you're picking people for a group, that's usually a combination problem. But if you're picking people for a group where there are special roles like president, vice president, secretary, or first place, second place, third place, that's going to be permutations. When you see these sorts of problems, first figure out if it's permutations or combinations, and then once you've got that, just plug into the correct formula.